ACHO. Nori's mint green backpack sneezed one carrot straight into the air. It bounced down Tumbleberry Trail, puffing sparkly crumbs and wobbling both purple buckles. Nori grabbed the straps. ACHO. The harder she tugged, the bigger the backpack puffed. Can you tap twice and whisper, "Easy, backpack"? Tap, tap, easy. Try it with Nori. Nori copied you. The zipper opened slowly. Inside, one fluffy dandelion seed tickled the pocket. Nori blew gently, whoosh. The seed floated into a flower pot, and exactly 3 golden sprouts popped up. The backpack sighed. Nori smiled, gentle clues solve mysteries. Then its tiny front pocket wiggled. ACHO.